Our scalp is one of the most sensitive parts of our body, and it's important to keep it nourished and healthy. Harmonic Healing Oil will help you do just that. It's a treatment oil that deeply nourishes skin, scalp, and hair. Today, I'll show you how I use it as a scalp and hair treatment that is called the Oil Detox Hair Ceremony. Rich in essential oils, Harmonic Healing Oil soaks into your scalp, providing vital nutrients to work their magic. The rich blend is perfectly balanced for use on all skin and hair types, including sensitive. The luxurious formulation includes safflower seed oil that is rich with protein, vitamins, and minerals. Rosemary essential oil helps increases circulation in the scalp and stimulates blood flow to support hair growth. Tamanu oil is a topical healing agent that leaves skin super soft and smooth. Orange flower oil is a bonus ingredient offering not only a beautiful scent, it also helps define all types of curls, including mine. For best results, wet your scalp and hair before applying the product, as that will allow the oil to easily glide onto your scalp and through your hair. Pump 5 to 15 drops in your palms. Apply straight to your scalp and massage firmly but gently while raking or combing through the ends of your hair. It is important to thoroughly saturate your hair with Harmonic Healing Oil. Once your scalp and hair are coated with the oil, clip up your hair and continue with the rest of your shower. It's best to let the oil soak in for at least 10 minutes. Rinse with water and follow with your favorite hair bath and conditioner combo. Lastly, don't squeeze out the excess water. You'll want your hair soaking wet to carry you into your styling routine. My hair and scalp feel rejuvenated and super clean. I like to repeat this process at least once a month to keep my scalp and hair healthy. I've fallen in love with my hair again thanks to Innersense Organic Beauty's Harmonic Healing Oil.